Premtobre Kasee na oguso hwe na adehia wo mo Tolon wo northern region so aye yeche de ti aban no ofise one more ekwan no nkro no mu akwan ne de enkoyie kura wo sere aban so wonye mfama wo mo na Habib Idris yo ye wo mra she bidwani ne de wonye study na 2024 senyame de edom ye no so pepepe no mo hwe ato aba no wanya de na se na adwuma nso ani Adom Kasee ne won edi nkomwe
Sentia omanfo wotolon ebuafu ene se ebraga na mampanyi na nadanko akufu ado ebansra ewo atifido mantemu no odi afidie ebedwi kwai nyina so ya nanko wani da so se obegusu kota ede ama wo mu nenso ebra ensra no etutwa yepe wonu kontrata bia ewo kwan no eso assembly member yo wona yiri abato bro no so ene Mohammed Abdul Somed no no ene gina manfo anemu ekasaye odi won haw efa kwan yi ho etudwa
marks the Boxing Day in the Christian calendar. We are therefore meeting here to present this package before the President as our package for 2022 by expressing our delight, indeed our worry over what we term deliberate neglect of Tolon traditional area. This is the home of Yakub Tali of the Blessed one of the founding fathers of MPP party. This is why we are together with the Vice President who pledged to serve during 2016 and 2020 campaign season to give us a better service. I ask compatriots, is this the better service that we were pledged? No!
Enwechi wakade to aso se wate e wakase fidie se wo mra bidwani Habib Idrisu edi atodwa se enye wo ye kire ene bema empanifo aye kwan ne senti wo bone kokko se so pese Tolon akonwa no wotena so pa wa fimpino ne aduonu nan de ya ene wonya kwan no ema wo enye sa eda ye beto aba wo man mu eye natemoda.
But I was sad. One report reached me that our honorable member, whom we have endorsed, sat at one of the air stations and said demonstration doesn't fix it. And I want to remind you, in Shwami, the majority leaders' constituents, they demonstrated and even to battle him with second water. Dalong, in 2021, same happened and they fixed it. In the national area, from Abidi Junction to the national area, they threatened to do demonstration. But it was fixed. What wrong have we done to deserve this mistreatment? That is my possible question. So NP, on behalf of the good people of Tolon who gave you endorsement of 58.2%, I want to play with you. If you want to retain the 2024 seats, don't you? You will face Judgment Day on 2024 December.